Hey there, power seekers! Ready to supercharge your adventures without breaking the bank? Well, I've got some electrifying news for you. Stick around and I'll show you how to save big with AllPowers discount codes. Click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. Alright, let's dive in. You know those moments when you're out camping and your phone dies just as you're about to capture that epic sunset? Or when you're hosting a backyard BBQ and suddenly, poof, no power for your music? That's where AllPowers comes to the rescue. AllPowers offers an impressive lineup of portable power solutions, from solar generators and power stations to solar panels. They're perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, homeowners, and anyone looking to stay powered up and eco-friendly. But here's the kicker. You don't have to spend a fortune to stay juiced up. AllPowers frequently rolls out discount codes and special offers that make their products even more affordable. Imagine this. You're out in the wilderness, miles away from the nearest outlet, but your AllPowers solar generator is keeping everything charged. You've got your phone, your camera, your mini fridge all powered up and ready to go. And the best part? You scored it at a fraction of the price thanks to that sweet discount code. Now some of you might be thinking, sure, discounts are great, but is AllPowers reliable? Let me tell you, their products are built to last. Whether you're facing extreme weather conditions or just need a dependable power source, AllPowers has got your back. Plus, they focus on affordability without compromising on quality. So, you can trust that you're getting a great deal on a reliable product. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Check out the rave reviews from happy customers. People love how versatile and dependable AllPowers products are, making them the go-to choice for portable power. And with those unbeatable discounts, it's a win-win. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to snag your AllPowers discount code and start saving today. Whether you're gearing up for your next outdoor adventure or just want to ensure you're never left in the dark, AllPowers has the perfect solution for you. Remember, power up your life without draining your wallet. Save big with AllPowers discount codes and keep the juice flowing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome deals and tips. See you next time.